Okay, to close a deal is defined by the dictionary as the ability to come to an end and complete an agreement. Doesn't say anything about attempting. It says to come to an end and complete an agreement, not try. To come to an end and complete an agreement. My definition of closing is a service, and I'd like you to use this one, a service whereby you are aiding someone in making a decision to exchange something of value with something of value. Hey, this skill called the close, it represents about 20% of your selling time, but 100% of your money, okay? All your income this year will be earned because of the close. Put most of your attention, time, energy into selling the product, the company, the services. You want to demonstrate everything that is obvious and also those things not obvious. You want to ensure that you're on the right product, ensure that they love it, ensure that your customer has complete confidence it will solve their problems. You want to maintain trust, build trust actually, and maintain credibility, and then close, okay? But the close is 20% of your selling time and all the money. In short, the buyer, your customer, must, number one, be sold. We don't want to skip anything here. Be sold on what you're presenting and really want it to the degree that they love it and have confidence in it. Number two, they have to trust you. They have to see you as a credible source. If you're running back and forth to managers, checking with somebody else, checking on this, saying things like, I don't know, I can't tell you, I'm not sure, you will not be a credible source and they will not trust you. Number three, you have to be talking to a decision maker in order to close a deal. You can't talk to John to close Bob for Bob's money. You got to talk, you can get John interested for Bob's money, but you need a decision maker to get Bob's money. Number four, they need to must absolutely see more value in your product or service than the money that you're asking for or whatever your exchange is. Number five, they have to have the wherewithal to pay for your product. You can't close if they're the decision maker, they're on the right product, they love it, they definitely want to give you the money, but don't know how to get the money. Okay, so they have to be qualified to pay for your product. And number six, you have to close. They're not going to close themselves, folks. You have to close. And you need an arsenal of technology, different ways to ask the same question, which is always this. Let's roll.